In today's video, I'll show you how to install and manage mods for Ready or Not. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open Ready or Not. Open Content. Copy the Paks folder and paste it in desktop or any other location to take backup. Once this done, check my video description for this mod link. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this gun. Go to Files, scroll down and select the manual download option. These three extra mods are required to run this mod, so make sure you download those mods as well. Select the download option and slow download. Do the same thing. What are the mod required for this? Once all the files downloads done, select this folder icon. Right click on the mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now go back to the same location where we back up the Paks folder. Open Paks and drag and drop this pack mod file inside. Do the same thing for other mods listed. Once you're done, launch the game. Once you are in game, in modify loadout, press F and select the weapons, select the assault rifle. Here you can able to see the mod we added, Cult Canada BCM AR-15, and this is the gun we added. I show you guys by pressing the Alt tab. As you can see, this is the gun we added, Cult Canada BCM AR-15. So the mod is working. And now I successfully equipped that gun. Right now I'm using that gun. Cult Canada BCM AR-15. And that's how you can install any mods in Ready or Not. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.